In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Framer with Frameship. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Framer project and head to the Plugins menu. From there, launch the Frameship plugin. Frameship is the bridge that lets your Shopify products flow into Framer's CMS, so make sure you have it installed and that you're in the project where you want your store content to appear. Next, create a new collection or a new project inside Frameship, depending on how you want to organize your content. You'll see an option to connect your Shopify store. Click that to begin the connection process. This is where you pair Framer with your Shopify backend so product data, images, and details can be imported cleanly. When prompted, paste your Shopify store URL. The format usually looks like yourstore.myshopify.com. Be careful to copy the exact store domain used in your Shopify admin. You'll also need your Storefront API access token. This token comes from your Shopify admin and grants Frameship permission to pull product data into Framer. If you haven't created one yet, generate it in your Shopify settings under the appropriate API or App Access section and copy it securely. Do not share tokens in public places. After entering the store URL and pasting the Storefront API access token, click to connect. The connection may take a few moments as Frameship validates credentials and establishes a secure link to your store. If you see any authentication errors, double-check the domain for typos and confirm the token is active and has the correct permissions. Once connected, import your products to populate the Framer CMS with your Shopify data. Frameship will bring in product titles, descriptions, prices, images, and other fields that Framer can use directly in your designs. Depending on the number of products you have, the sync can take a little time. Keep an eye on progress indicators and any messages about unsupported fields or missing images. After the import finishes, review your Framer collection to ensure products are mapped correctly and images look right. If you need to update data later, use Frameship Sync or Refresh options to pull in new or updated products from Shopify. Finally, preview your Framer pages to confirm everything displays as expected, and publish when you're ready. That's all it takes to connect Shopify to Framer using Frameship. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like if this helped you streamline your workflow.